Hi everyone, today a new video. Very simple recipe today. Quiche Lorraine on the barbecue. We start with a mold. In there we put the dough to make quiche Lorraine. And we make it nice into the mold, just like this. If you want to know what dough I'm using, I'm going to write it down in the description under the video. Then, once we have done this, we take a fork and we make some holes in the dough. And now we place this in a Kamado, 170 degrees Celsius, and I'm cooking indirect. Don't forget it, indirect 170 degrees Celsius. We are going to bake this for 2 minutes. While the dough is inside the Kamado, we are going to mix the ingredients all together for the quiche. We start with 5 eggs, 250 milliliters of fresh cream, pepper, nutmeg, and garlic powder. And now we mix this together with a fork. Dough is already out of the Kamado, so this is 2 minutes later. There's already a little smoke flavor, and this is a little dry now. Let's pour the bacon on this. Some shredded cheese. And some spring onion. There we go. Now the mixture. And some more shredded cheese. Now let's get this inside the Kamado for approximately 35 minutes. There we go. 40 minutes later, this is the result. Wow. Oh wow, you should smell this. I can't wait to give this a try. This smells amazing. Wow. Let's get this out. Oh, it's a little hot. To get the quiche out of the mold, I have a small pie stand here. Just turn it around, take it out, and then take a plate. And there we go. Now let's slice this up. Oh wow. Thank you so much for watching my video. I really hope you enjoyed it.